Want to turn AI images into income? Here's how to make money with Chatgpt AI images in 2025, step by step. Step 1. Open Chatgpt Pro and access the image generation tools. You can create anything from logos and concept art to product mock-ups. Step 2. Pick a profitable niche, like digital products, children's books, YouTube thumbnails, t-shirt designs, or social media content packs. Step 3. Use detailed prompts to generate high-quality original images tailored to your target audience or product idea. Step 4. Monetize your images by selling on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Redbubble, offering custom image packs as a service, licensing them for commercial use via your own website. Step 5. Promote your work on Instagram, Pinterest, or Fiverr. Show examples and offer custom orders. Step 6. Upsell by bundling images into full products, like ebooks, templates, or brand kits. AI art isn't just for fun anymore. It's a full-blown creative business. Get in early and start earning.